In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF statement to QuickBooks Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a PDF bank statement, turn it into a compatible file, and bring those transactions into QuickBooks smoothly. First, start at your bank's website and download your bank statement as a PDF. Make sure you select the correct date range so you don't miss days or overlap months, and save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a clearly named folder. This gives you a clean source to work from before you convert anything. Next, convert that PDF into a format QuickBooks can read. QuickBooks accepts CSV, QBO, or OFX files. If your bank offers a direct CSV download for the same date range, use that option. It's typically the most reliable. If not, use a reputable PDF to CSV converter tool to transform the statement. After conversion, open the CSV to confirm. It includes 3 essential columns: date, description, and amount. Amount can be either 2 separate columns for debits and credits, or 1 column using positive and negative values. Both are fine as long as it's consistent. Take a moment to check that dates are in a standard format. Amounts don't include symbols or stray commas, and each row represents a single transaction. Cleaning this now will save you time during import. When your CSV is ready, open QuickBooks and go to the Transactions or Banking area, then choose Upload Transactions. Select the bank account you want to import into so the data routes to the right place. Click Browse, locate your converted CSV, and choose it. Then click Next to move forward. You'll be prompted to map the fields. Match your CSV columns to date, description, and amount. If you use separate debit and credit columns, map them appropriately. If you used a single amount column, make sure the signs align with money in and money out. Double check that the sample preview looks correct, especially dates and the direction of amounts, then click Next. Finally, review the transactions QuickBooks has prepared. This is your chance to spot anything out of place before they're imported. When everything looks good, click Import. Your transactions will appear in the For Review tab, ready for you to categorize, match to existing records, and reconcile. If you notice duplicates, adjust your date ranges next time or remove overlapping rows before importing. And once you've categorized everything in For Review, complete your reconciliation to confirm your books match the bank. That's it. Your PDF statement is now successfully converted and brought into QuickBooks.